An AI that reads your mind, repairs itself, or even brings back lost languages. These once impossible ideas are now reality. But the most shocking AI invention, it might just redefine what it means to be human. Artificial intelligence has evolved at an unimaginable speed, breaking barriers that experts thought would take centuries to overcome. In this video, we'll explore 10 AI inventions that seemed impossible until they weren't. Stick around for number 1, because it's unlike anything the world has ever seen. AI-powered medical diagnosis. Imagine a world where machines can detect life-threatening diseases before symptoms even appear. AI-driven diagnostic tools are making this a reality. For instance, Google's DeepMind has developed algorithms capable of predicting acute kidney injury up to 48 hours before it occurs, allowing medical professionals to take preventive measures. In oncology, AI systems have been trained to analyze medical images with remarkable accuracy. A study from Harvard Medical School introduced an AI model named Chief that demonstrated nearly 94% accuracy in detecting various cancer types, outperforming existing methods. These advancements not only expedite diagnosis, but also reduce human error, making healthcare more efficient and accessible. Artificial intelligence that repairs itself. What if technology could fix itself without human intervention? Enter self-healing AI systems. These advanced systems can autonomously detect and repair software bugs, preventing potential failures and cyber attacks. For example, Dell's ProSupport suite for PCs includes AI-powered self-healing capabilities that resolve issues without IT intervention. Beyond software, researchers are exploring self-repairing materials. A collaboration between King's College London and Swansea University has led to the development of self-healing asphalt using artificial intelligence and biomass, aiming to create more durable and sustainable roads. This fusion of AI and material science could revolutionize infrastructure maintenance, leading to longer-lasting and safer structures. AI that restores lost languages. Thousands of languages are at risk of extinction, but AI is stepping in to preserve them. By analyzing ancient texts and linguistic patterns, AI can reconstruct lost languages, offering insights into human history. Google's AI initiatives have been instrumental in reviving indigenous languages, ensuring that cultural heritage is not lost to time. Researchers are also using AI to translate ancient scripts that have puzzled historians for centuries, unlocking knowledge from forgotten civilizations. AI-powered translation models are helping linguists decode symbols and scripts that had previously remained a mystery, bringing humanity closer to its past. AI that predicts human behavior. Imagine a world where AI can anticipate your decisions before you even make them. Retailers use AI to predict what customers will buy, while security agencies analyze behavioral patterns to prevent crimes before they happen. This raises exciting and slightly terrifying possibilities for the future. Companies like Amazon and Netflix are already using predictive AI to suggest products and movies tailored to your interests, but the implications go far beyond entertainment. In finance, AI can detect fraudulent transactions before they occur, and in social sciences, it can analyze human interactions to improve communication and conflict resolution. Artificial intelligence that predicts natural disasters. AI is now forecasting earthquakes, hurricanes, and floods with groundbreaking accuracy. Google's flood prediction AI provides early warnings days in advance, potentially saving millions of lives in disaster-prone regions. This technology is giving humanity a fighting chance against nature's most destructive forces. Governments and environmental organizations are using AI models to track climate change patterns, helping policymakers make informed decisions to protect vulnerable communities. As AI-driven climate forecasting improves, we could see a future where disasters are not only predicted, but actively prevented through real-time interventions. AI that reads minds. It sounds like science fiction, but AI-powered brain interfaces are decoding human thoughts. Elon Musk's Neuralink is working on technology that allows people to control devices with their minds, helping paralyzed individuals regain independence. The future? AI-powered telepathy could be just around the corner. Scientists are already using AI to translate brain activity into text, giving voice to those who cannot speak. In the coming years, this could lead to direct brain-to-brain communication, forever changing how humans interact with technology and each other. Artificial intelligence that brings back the dead. Virtually, AI is now capable of creating lifelike digital versions of people who have passed away. Companies are developing AI chatbots that simulate conversations based on past messages, voice recordings, and videos. This raises deep ethical questions, but also offers comfort to those longing for one last conversation with lost loved ones. Hollywood is even using AI to recreate deceased actors for new movie roles, blurring the line between reality and digital immortality. As AI deepfakes become more advanced, we may soon see entire historical figures brought back to life for education and storytelling purposes. AI that simulates human emotions. AI-powered robots like Sophia are learning to recognize and express emotions in ways that feel eerily human. Emotional AI is already being used in customer service, therapy, and even companionship, bringing us closer to AI that understands and interacts with humans on a deep emotional level. Tech companies are developing AI assistants that detect tone and mood, adapting their responses accordingly to provide better support. In the future, AI may play a critical role in mental health care, offering personalized therapy sessions tailored to each individual's emotional state. Artificial intelligence that creates entire virtual worlds. The most astonishing AI breakthrough. Artificial intelligence can now generate hyper-realistic virtual worlds in real time. Companies like NVIDIA are using AI to design video game environments, simulate real-life cities, and even create virtual universes for the metaverse. AI-generated landscapes can evolve dynamically based on user interactions, enhancing training simulations for professionals like pilots and surgeons. AI-driven virtual reality could also transform education, allowing students to explore historical sites or interact with AI-generated figures from the past. The implications are staggering. As AI continues to improve, we may one day find ourselves living in digital realms that are just as immersive and impactful as the physical world. Artificial intelligence that designs other artificial intelligence. One of the most mind-blowing AI breakthroughs? AI is now creating better AI. Google's Automl is designing more advanced AI models without human input. This self-improving AI could lead to a future where artificial intelligence evolves beyond human comprehension. Researchers believe this could spark an AI acceleration loop, where AI rapidly iterates and improves itself at a pace beyond human capability. While this advancement opens doors to unprecedented possibilities, it also raises concerns about AI governance and control. Could AI one day outpace human intelligence entirely? One of the most notable applications of AI-generated artificial intelligence is in optimizing neural networks for specialized tasks, such as drug discovery, climate modeling, and cybersecurity. AI-driven automation in these areas has already begun reducing costs and increasing efficiency. Companies like DeepMind and OpenAI are pushing the limits of this technology, showing that AI can now outperform human-designed models in complex problem-solving scenarios. Additionally, AI is now being used to automate software development, making programming more accessible to those without coding knowledge. By reducing the barrier to entry, AI-driven development could lead to a surge in innovative applications across industries, fundamentally shifting the role of human programmers in the future workforce. If AI continues to develop AI models more efficiently than humans, we may enter a future where technology advances faster than society can adapt, challenging everything from ethics to the job market and even human decision-making itself. Wrap up. From predicting disasters to reading minds, AI is pushing the limits of what we thought possible. These 10 breakthroughs prove that the future is arriving faster than anyone expected. The question is no longer, can AI do this? But rather, what will AI do next? Which AI invention shocked you the most? Drop a comment below and check out our videos on the future of tech and AI.